Hi there, this is our Shark 332 automatic bandsaw, European made, very good quality, a double Mitre. They've got some really good features in them, a manual mode, a semi-manual, semi-auto and fully auto mode, shuttle vice system, hydraulic vice clamping. You've got your safety bar up here. Starting from the back, you'll see with the photos there, you've got your hydraulics and controls and electrical cabinets here, your shuttle vice, support rollers there, your control panel here, your front vice and obviously your swivel controls here. This is a wee bit of a trigger setup for the manual mode. It's got a speed sensor there, tells you what tension you've got on your blade and needs to be within a certain range to run. And yeah, then your controls for your bow, etc. there. Your coolant tray there slides way out. I'll start it up. So with these, you switch them on here, push on, then push reset. That starts them up, and then to zero the vice you push enter, and that'll move the vice forward to a switch and back, and it just zeroes it for its measurement. So now you push the up button and select your cycle. So in this case I'll do a manual one, which just basically lets this float. And then if I want to pick a height that I want to do, say for instance there, pull the trigger. Oh, sorry, yes, that's right. So in this manual mode, you pull the trigger and you hold the trigger, and then you just go up and down like that. So it's just a very simple quick cut-off type thing. Then your next one is the semi-manual, which basically, which is what I was thinking about, which is pick a height, pull the trigger, it holds that height, and then it comes down itself. So for instance, I've got that coming down very quickly, but I'll slow that down. It's descent, speed the blade up and down, so that's the blade control. So yeah, you can control that. So that's the semi-manual mode. Then it goes back up to where you pulled that trigger. And then your semi-auto mode basically is, you can do something very similar, but you can set it from here. So for instance, if I want to take that bow up or down, and you might have a certain height that's set. For instance, the height might be there, same as I did on the trigger, and then basically you'll push go on that. And I'm not really, oh yeah, there. So basically what that does is it just starts wherever I've set that height, and then comes down. I'll quickly speed that up, coming down, so it doesn't take too long. So that's the semi-auto. And then in regards to the auto, I'll take it to the auto cycle there, clear whatever else there, and push go. And so basically with the auto cycle that I'm taking you through now, I'll set it up a couple of cuts at 50, a couple of cuts at 150, and then a couple of cuts at 300, and it'll do them consecutively. So it's open that front vice, shuttling the material, close the front vice, start at its cut, move that vice to grab its next one. Open the front vice, shuttling the material, close the front vice, open this vice, and shuttling this back. It has got an end of material sensor on it. I've got 2 blocks of wood, a single block in each vice at the moment to fool it into thinking it's got material. So now it's done its 2 at 50, and it's shuttling that vice further back to do its next 2 at 150. it's shuttling back further to do its last 2 at 300. And then it's basically told us that the auto cycle's finished. So that's pretty much it really. They are very good quality European. You pay more for them, but they last a lot longer, and they've got some really nice features, and this one's all set to go.